Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to enable Steam Guard on Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the store, the library, community, and your profile. Also, we have a tab where you can see your store, new and noteworthy, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and enable Steam Guard on Steam. So enabling Steam Guard is an excellent way to secure your account, and here's how to set it up. So launch the Steam client on your computer, as I already told you, and click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. So click on Steam and select Settings, which is one before the last. In the Settings menu, click on Account, which is the first thing as you can see. Click on Manage Steam Guard Account Security. Then you can enable Steam Guard via the email or use the Steam Guard mobile authenticator for added security. If you choose email, Steam will send you a code. Enter this code to enable Steam Guard for the mobile authenticator. Follow the instructions to set it up on your phone. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.